Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you what the new Relay by Republic looks like. This is the new device that they've come out with that is really geared towards families and kids, something that the kids can take with them when they leave the house and go right around on their bikes. So we just got this, got 3 of them actually. And so I'll show you what's in the box here. It's just a box, nicely packaged. Probably taking off the stickers. It comes with a sticker over the top here. This is what the device itself looks like. Already, the kids have been playing with it, so it's already a little dirty, but that's what it looks like. You got your SIM card, got a headphone jack. You've got no buttons on that side. This side's got the volume, which as you press it, it shows you the volume. So you got, looks like 4 different volume settings. And then you've got your channel. So you push it once.
Funny Zebra is on Relay.
It's called Funny Zebra. You press it again.
Switching to Echo.
And Echo is just kind of a fun feature where you talk to it and it echoes back to you. Yeah, it's got just a bunch of random funny voices. You can still get messages when you're in that Echo mode, which is nice.
Funny Zebra is on Echo. Switching to Relay.
So now
Switching to Echo.
Oh, it's a double.
Switching to Relay.
So now we're back on Relay. And so that's basically what it does. And then I'll press the button and call the other devices. So, hey guys, I'm on the device. And it'll send that message to everybody else. And then they can respond. I don't know if they're going to, but the kids have theirs. I told them to not use it while I was shooting this video. And then you've got a charger connection on the back. So I'll show you real quick what that looks like in the box here. You've got the real simple instructions here. Plug in your device, download the app, and yeah, setting it up on your phone is really easy. I won't go through that now, but it's super easy. Also comes with some fun stickers if you want to add some stickers. One of my kids just called me back. You've got your warranty information, and then here's your cord. So you've got a charger cord, and you've got a box to plug it into. So the cord, I'll open this up, show you what this looks like. Sorry for the shaky camera. So yeah, it's just a little cord here, and it connects to the back of the device pretty nicely. So it maybe has a little magnet, but there it goes. Yeah, it's got a magnet, so it actually connects pretty well there. So yeah, anyway, it's pretty straightforward. USB connection, so you can plug it in here, or if you've got another box or plug that you can plug it into. And that's everything that's in the box. So pretty straightforward. We're pretty excited about these. We like letting our kids go and explore and try not to be helicopter parents too much, but it's nice having. Don't really want them to have screens. Don't really want them to have access to the internet and all of that stuff. So this is a great option for us.
Jed, can I have a piece of your Twixes?
All right, so there you go. There's one of my kids asking his brother for Twixes. So anyway, I'll stop here, but hope you enjoyed it, and we'll maybe post an update.
Twixes, Jed?
Post an update when we've had some more time to play with it. All right, see ya.